My name's John Parsons. I live in Baltimore County, Maryland. I've had this camera in my hallway for over a year. I get packages sometimes late at night, and I would like to see who drops them off. And I've been checking the feeds just about every day. And I happen to be going through the feeds from the night before. And I see this look like a speck of dust floating across the screen. And I really didn't pay much attention to it. It floated down out of sight. Didn't see it anymore. And I kept on watching, and a few minutes later, I see another one come across the screen, and another one from the top of the screen, one at the bottom of the screen. And they seem to come out of nowhere and just disappear. Some of them even seem to have like a little ghostly trail coming behind them. I've never seen anything like it before. I was kind of weirded out, and I just want to find out what it is. The next day, I checked the camera out, and it looked fine. I mean, sometimes you see moths or dust around it, maybe a beginning of a spider web across the screen, but I checked it out. There was nothing there. The camera's facing my hallway towards my front door. My hallway's pretty airtight, and it wasn't windy that night, so I just don't know what to make of it. I had never seen anything like it in person. I've always seen it on TV. I just want to find out what it is. Orbs. And that's the first thing that crossed my mind. Some people say they're just balls of energy. Some people say they're spirits. Well, I lost my wife back in 2020. Her name was Sheila. I just dreamed about her every night. She was always in my mind. During the day, at night, she followed me into my dreams. Before my wife passed, she told me she'd be watching out for me. And I like to think it is her, watching out for me. That would be great. We've been together for 46 years. And it's tough to let go of somebody like that when you've been together for so long. So maybe the orbs were a sign. But there's just no way to prove it, but you just got to have faith.